Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you all the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Connect. This van, like all our vehicles, has undergone 128 points inspection by AA and it's covered by their warranty for the first 3 months. Plus you get roadside assistance for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Gearbox nano coat over the paint to make sure tree sap, acidity, rain or anything else won't affect it. This specific exemplar is painted in white and it's in the leathers trim. Show you a bit of the side. You have the fuel cap here on the back for both the diesel and the AdBlue. Over the rear you got barn-style doors, and on the curb side you have the sliding door. Let's take a look at the boot now. Once you access the cargo, you can see you have a full metal bulkhead, and both the panels and the doors have wood ply lining. You have a release button to extend the opening of the door up to 180 degrees, and you have 6 anchorage points on the floor. Size-wise, it's 121 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 125 centimeters of a height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, plus 175 centimeters of depth, fully usable on the flooring. Let's take a look at the cabin now. Once you access the cabin, you have a 2-seat configuration with fully adjustable seats and fully adjustable headrest. Once you get into the cabin, you have storage solutions on the glove box, right in front of the passenger on top of the dashboard, and then you have another one at the center of the console. Once you take position in the driver's seat, you have an analog cluster with a digital trip computer, which can obviously be customized, and you can also check other information regarding the vehicle. You have all the controls. As usual, you have the indicators on the left, infotainment and trip computer on the left, volume and voice controls for the phone on the right, wipers as well on the right, and then you have the lights controls, plus the rear fog lights, height of the beam adjustment, and dimming of the cabin lights. And then on the door you have the central locking unit, plus the power windows. You have a DAB stereo on the main central console, which also has Bluetooth capabilities. And you also have a wireless charging shelf for the phone. It's compatible with both MagSafe and QI protocols. So if your phone has wireless charging capability, it will keep on charging here. You have the forced unit for air, plus the eco mode toggle, traction control, and the auto start and stop. This vehicle is a 6-gear automatic transmission, and over here at the center console you have another USB port for the stereo, where you can connect both the phone or an MP3, and then a 12-volt port. And these are all the features and benefits of the Ford Transit Connect. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.